Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to unarchive story on Instagram. If you're using Instagram and you want to unarchive any stories, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your Instagram app and here just tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. And here just tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner and you'll open the menu and here just tap on archive section and here just select this option and you must have to select stories archive here. Once you have selected, you will get all of your stories which have been archived here. So you just have to select any story which you want to unarchive. For example, I'm going to select this one, just tap on it, then tap on this here more option. And if you want to save it, you can directly save it from here. If you want to delete it from your archived stories, you just tap on delete option, then tap on delete again, and your archived story will be deleted or unarchived. If you want to share it, so just tap on this share option and you will get different share options. For example, you can share it as your own story or through friends. So for example, I'm going to share it as my story. Just tap on story option. Once you have selected, the post will be added to your story. So in this way, you can easily unarchive a story on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.